Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where not only do we talk about great stocks, great crypto, we also love to talk about options, and we like to talk about great books as well. Listen, my Team Humble family, I hope everyone has had a phenomenal weekend. I know I was a little busy. I wanted to do this video on Humble yesterday, but over the past weekend, man, I was out working in the yard, just busy, man. I had went and bought a electric chainsaw to cut a couple trees down. I went and bought an electric power washer, trying to make that switch over to some electric devices to use around the house. So, but anyway, I hope you guys are having a great morning. Now here, I'm just here to provide a technical analysis on Humble, because I know there's been a lot of news about Humble, what's going on, and me basically right now, what I want to talk about is the technicals. All right, because man, once all the hype is gone, this is all that you're left with. Right, so you can continue saying so many great things about the company, but the stock is reacting another way. All right, so we need to really pay attention to what's in the news, right? What the CEO is putting out, and we also need to pay attention to the technicals. All right, so again, I'm a humble guy. I'm Team Humble. I did get stopped out of some of my shares a while ago when I was up here around the 350, 375 mark. Got stopped out, and I've been waiting for an opportunity to buy back in. And a lot of times people, they say, hey, it dropped 50 cents. Well, I'm going to buy more shares and just keep accumulating. Well, you don't want to buy on a downtrend. All right, so the way you add and accumulate shares is by pulling up the technical charts, learning how to read the technical charts. And if you've been following this channel for a while, I speak and I talk a lot about the technicals, because the technicals will guide you when there is no news. All right, all we have is the technicals. And so right now I have the daily chart up, daily candlesticks with the 20-day simple moving average. All right, which gives us an average over the previous 20 trading sessions on a daily candle. And also I have the MACD. All right, so back here we had just a serious sell-off here, consistent downward movement, but we do have times where the stock will settle down some. So we had it here, we settled down, we had momentum coming back into the stock, so we drove the price from 270 to I have around 415, and then we had another huge sell-off. So again, we have just red day after red day after red day. I mean, you think about it, there are about 12, 15 red days and only 3-4 green days. Man, that's horrible for a stock. All right, but we do have some momentum coming back into the stock. So now we can see that we have settled, all right, around a support of $1.50. So now is the time we can start accumulating shares. If the ultimate goal is to add shares, we want to buy and accumulate at the right time. So we want to buy when the stock has failed to its support, and we want to buy on the uptrend. All right, that's the way you accumulate. That's the way you add shares. That's the way you position yourself for the long term. Now, for my retirement account, I save 15% of my income. Make sure I hit that 19.75. It may be a little higher this year, but I always try to hit the max on my retirement account. And that money it goes into my positions automatically. So, again, it may be up, it may be down, it may be up. So, but again, I'm investing for the long term, 20, 30 years. And I don't even look at that. But for plays like this, where you can lose 10, 15, 20% of your total cost of investment into this company, man, that's huge. So we want to pay attention to plays like this. We want to take a look at the technicals, and we want to let the technicals guide us on our decision making when it comes to plays like this. All right, now again, now is the time to accumulate shares. Now is the time to buy shares. And I kind of wish there was a opportunity to buy some options in this thing, but Options still not available. As of last week, no options was available. So I guess the demand isn't high enough for options. No, so there's still no options available for Humble. All right, but that's all I have. Just a technical analysis of this week. This is the week you accumulate shares. This is the week you want to jump back in because it gives us an indication that we have settled around this mark. Now, nothing is guaranteed. We could have some more crazy news come out that will drive the price down even further. But as of right now, in the last 7-8 trading sessions, it looks like we have settled around the $1.50 mark. All right, now again, I hope this video added a little bit of value to you, and if it did, hey, please. My Team Humble family, I'm still long term, but I'm trying to be smart about it, trying to make great decisions. Now, some people buying and they're just holding and they're just saying, hey, I'm going to hold this for the long term. I'm going to go through the ups and the downs of this play. And that's fine and dandy. You can do that. You can do that. But I've been investing for 15 years. And what I've learned when it comes to these type of opportunities, these, stocks around $1 or $2, I want to maximize my return. All right. I'm trying to maximize my share total, and I want to maximize and minimize my losses. All right. So I set stop limits for these type of stocks because if it does fall down to a certain amount, I automatically sell. All right. And it's just that simple. And there's always an opportunity to get back in. All right. So, I rather go, I don't mind, seeing my account in this position go from 20,000 to 12,000 versus 20,000 to 6,000 or 20,000 to 5,000. I'm not about that. All right. I'm about setting stop limits, making smart decisions when we trade, making smart decisions when we invest so we can maximize our returns and create that generational wealth that we desire. All right. That's all I have for you guys. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. All right. Listen, this is your first time checking me out, hit the subscribe button. Hey, give me a like and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.